Good morning, my little sunshine. Wake up and let's wash your face and brush your teeth.
Good morning, Mommy. Mommy, I'm very hungry now. What is for breakfast?
How about some cereal with fresh milk? It is crunchy and sweet. It is also very healthy for your body and helps you grow tall and strong.
Oh, I love cereal. How do we make it, Mommy?
It is easy. We put cereal in a bowl, add cold milk, and put some fruit on top. But first, I need to wash these dishes. Please wait for me and we will make it together in 5 minutes.
But I want to help you, Mom. I can do it now. I can get the cereal and the heavy milk from the fridge.
Tom, please don't. Stay in the living room and wait for me.
Oops! Oh no! Mommy, help me! Ouch!
Oh no, I knew it. Tom, what is that loud noise?
Oh no, the milk carton is too heavy and it is everywhere.
Oh my, I'm here for you. Are you okay, my little boy?
I'm fine, but the floor is a mess. You just cleaned it and now there's milk and cereal on the floor.
Thank goodness. I'm glad you are fine. But why didn't you wait for me?
I am so sorry, Mommy. I just wanted to surprise you with breakfast. I have some paper towels here. I will clean up the milk right now.
Oh, baby, come here. You are a sweet boy, but you must learn a lesson today.
Yes, I need to be more careful and listen to Mommy.
Yes, my boy, you are still young and you need to learn a lot. Please wait for my help before you do something new.
I understand, Mommy. I promise I will wait for you next time. Can I still help you clean the floor now?
Yes, you are my brave little man. Let's clean up this mess together. Then we can make a bowl of cereal together.
Yay! You are the best mommy in the world.
Oh my, look at this laundry mountain. I need to wash the white clothes, then the dark clothes, and then the bed sheets.
Honey, have you seen my favorite blue shirt? I want to wear it to meet my friends in 10 minutes.
Your blue shirt? Sorry, honey, I don't know. The washing machine is so full.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I really need that shirt. Can you please check the laundry basket for me?
Jack, listen to me. I cleaned the kitchen, I cooked breakfast, and now I am doing all the laundry alone. I am so tired and I need a rest.
Oh, I see. I'm so sorry, Mary. I didn't think about that. You were working so hard while I'm just getting ready to go out.
Thank you for understanding. I love our family, but I cannot take care of everything by myself.
You are right, Mary. A house is for both of us, so we should share the housework. I will not go out now.
Really? But your friends are waiting for you.
Yes, friends can wait, but my wife needs me. Please sit down, drink some tea, and have a rest. I will finish the laundry for you.
Aw, that is so sweet of you, Jack. Do you know how to use the washing machine?
Not really.
Aw, Jack.
But you can teach me.
Okay, my hero. Let me show you how to do it. It is very simple.
I am ready to learn. What is the first step, teacher?
First, you check the pockets for money or keys. Then you put the clothes in the washing machine. Remember, do not put too many clothes inside.
Got it. Check pockets and put them in. What is next?
Next, you add some laundry soap. You can use liquid soap or powder soap. Put it in this small box here.
Okay, I see the box, and then we just start it?
Not yet. Now you choose the temperature. I use cold water for these shirts. Finally, you press this big start button.
Easy. See? It is already washing. From now on, I will help you with the laundry every day. We are a team, right?
Yes, we are a team, honey. Sorry I got angry earlier. I should have asked you for help.
Yes, I am always happy to do housework with my wife. After the machine finishes, I will hang the clothes out to dry too.
You are the best husband. I will go shopping for some food now. Let's watch some movies together tonight, shall we?
Haha, happy wife, happy life. See you soon. Enjoy your weekend.
Oh, Mary, is that you? It is so nice to see you here. How is your weekend going?
Hi, Sarah. Oh, a busy mom never rests. I am buying some food for my family. How about you?
Same here. I am buying some candies and cookies for my kids. They love sweet things so much.
I see. My kids love sweets too, but I don't buy those. Today, I am buying fresh fruit, flour, and some brown sugar.
Oh, wow. Are you going to bake at home? That takes so much time.
You are right, it takes time, but those candies have too much artificial sugar. It is not healthy for their teeth or their bodies. You have a point. I want to control what my family eats. If I make snacks at home, I can use fresh fruit and less sugar. It is clean and safe.
I never thought about that. I just want to finish shopping fast, but I worry about my kids' health too.
Don't worry, Sarah. We can start with small steps. Today, maybe you can buy some apples and honey instead of that big bag of candy.
Oh? What can I do with apples and honey?
We can make honey-baked apples. It is a very sweet and fun snack for the kids.
Wow, that is a great idea. And for the adults, we can make apple and honey salad. It is a very classy dish with simple and cheap ingredients. Thank you, Mary. You are a wonderful mom.
I'm just a normal mom who loves my kids, Sarah, and healthy food is the best gift we can give to our family.
You are so sweet. Okay, let's put these candies back and go get some fresh apples together. I'm so lucky to meet you today. That's the spirit.
Good afternoon, Mary. You look a bit tired today. How can I help you?
Hello, doctor. Ouch, I suddenly have a very bad headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me ask you some questions. First, do you have a fever or a cough?
No, doctor, I don't have a fever. My throat feels fine, too.
I see. Did you eat anything strange or skip any meals yesterday?
No, I had breakfast and dinner with my family as usual. I drink a lot of water, too.
All right. How many hours did you sleep last night?
Oh, well, I only slept for 3 hours. I sat in the living room until 2 a.m. to finish my office work.
Oh, Mary, it was very cold last night. Did you stay warm while working?
Not really. I forgot to wear a jacket. I may be too focused on the report.
Mary, listen to me. Your body is tired because you worked too hard in the cold. You need to take care of yourself first.
I know, doctor, but I am a busy mom. I have so much work at the office and at home.
I understand, but if you are sick, you cannot take care of Tom or Jack, can you?
You are right. I need to find a balance between work, housework, and my own health.
Exactly. Now I will give you some medicine for the headache. Take it 2 times a day after your meals.
2 times a day after meals. Got it. Should I take it with warm water?
Yes, warm water is better. And please go home and sleep for at least 8 hours tonight.
I promise, doctor. I will go home and rest. Thank you for your kind advice.
You're welcome, Mary. Feel better soon and enjoy the rest of your sweet weekend.
Finally, what a busy but sweet weekend.
You worked so hard today, honey. Tell me, how do you feel after everything?
I feel happy. This morning, Tom made a mess with the milk, but I learned a big lesson. I need to be patient. Tom loves me and wants to help, but he is still young. He needs to listen and wait for my help.
That is true, but you also need to let him try more. If he does it alone, he will become more independent and careful.
You were right. And remember the laundry mountain? I learned that I cannot do everything alone. I was so happy when you helped me with the washing machine. A family needs to share the work.
I agree. I am so happy you let me know and help you. You are a strong woman, but you also need love and help from everyone around you.
Thank you. I also met Sarah at the supermarket. We talked about healthy food. I realized that my family's health is the most important thing.
You are a wonderful mom, Mary. You always choose the best things for us. But what about the doctor? You looked so tired this afternoon.
The doctor said I need to find a balance. A busy mom must take care of herself too. If I am not healthy, I cannot take care of you and Tom.
Exactly. You are the heart of this home. You are beautiful, smart, and so kind. But even a hero needs to rest. I want you to know that I love you so much.
Oh, Jack, you are so sweet. Thank you for always being by my side.
From now on, let's make every day like this. We share the work, we learn together, and we love each other more.
I love that idea. Now, let's turn off the lights and have a good sleep.
Good night, my amazing wife. Sleep tight.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what are you doing this weekend? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.